Nike Basketball continues to build momentum around the KD18 with a fresh colorway that focuses more on visual impact than storytelling. Unlike themed releases such as the Ant Pearl or Halloween editions, this latest KD18 arrives without a specific concept, letting its bold color execution take center stage. The sneaker features a clean white foundation highlighted by a mix of Glacier Blue, Volt, and bright crimson accents for a striking, modern look. Icy blue tones cover the mesh upper and heel area, while vibrant pops of lime green and red appear on the swoosh, panel details, and the multi-directional outsole. The result is a dynamic and energetic design that reflects Kevin Durant's on-court creativity and versatility. Officially named the Nike KD18 Gifted, this pair is scheduled to release on December 26, 2025, through Nike and select retailers. Early images give fans a closer look at what to expect from this eye-catching update.